Hi, this is Melanie for QuiltWoman.com. We've been talking about basic applique and how we take fusible webbing and fuse it to fabric to make shapes for our surface we're decorating. In this case, we have been working on a shirt, a brightly colored shirt with a lot of hand-dyed fabrics and printed fabrics, and we used a die-cut machine to make our shapes, and then we've got them fused down with fusible webbing. But now we need to further secure them with either machine stitching or hand stitching. So for this segment, we're going to talk about some basic hand stitches you can use to embellish your shapes and to also secure the edges down to your project. What you'll need is, today I'm using embroidery floss. This is 6-strand embroidery floss, which means it comes in, one strand is comprised of 6 different pieces. Okay, so typically in embroidery we use three strands for the needle. If you want a heavier look, you can use 4. If you want a lighter look, you can use 2. So I've got my hand stitching needle all threaded up here, and I'm going to start hand stitching using a running stitch, a blanket stitch, and a back stitch. Each stitch is used in different ways typically, and the most important thing you want to remember when hand stitching is working on top of your fabric. Instead of like bringing the fabric back and forth each time, under and over, you're going to work on the top of the fabric. So in the next segment we'll talk about those basic stitches.